Bonnie and Forky! Hi guys, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my Toy Story 4 coloring page. Ta-da! This is a picture of Bonnie and Forky. I hope you guys follow along with me and you need something to do with marker, a yellow paper and some craft tools. So let's get ready because I will get started right now. I'm gonna start on Bonnie first. She had green eyes. Her mouth is pink and red. Let's color in her hair brown. I'm gonna color in her skin light tan. And let's color in her necklace and her bracelet, all different colors. Her shirt is purple, light and dark green. And let's make her shorts purple. So I'm finished coloring Bonnie. Next let's color in Forky. He had black eyes. His eyebrow is red. And his mouth is blue. Let's color in his arm red. I'm gonna color in his feet tan and brown. And I finished coloring Bonnie and Forky. Lastly, let's collage and frame the picture. And I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so adorable. Bonnie and Porky both look so cute. These are the greatest friends. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I'll see you next time. Bye!